Hey guys, welcome back. There's an app on your phone right now. You didn't install it, you've never opened it, and it has access to your location, microphone, and calls. And the crazy part? It's on almost every Android phone. The app is Android Auto. It's designed to connect your phone to your car so you can use maps, calls, and messages on your car screen. Sounds normal, but what if you don't even use it, or you have never connected your phone to a car? It's still there. Try this right now. Open Settings, go to Apps, search Android Auto, tap on it, then open Permissions. You will see access to location, microphone, phone, and SMS. Now you're thinking, why does it need all of this? Simple. When connected to a car, it needs GPS for navigation, mic for voice commands, and access to calls and messages. That makes sense. But here's the real question. If you never use it, those permissions are just sitting there. That is the real problem. Now, let's be clear. This is not spyware. It's an official Google app. So here's what you should do. If you use Android Auto, keep it. If you don't, go to the app settings and tap Disable. You can't delete it, but disabling it stops everything. No permissions, no background activity, no updates. Done in seconds. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.